put your hand up like this. We are going to be doing a very crude representation of the brain. Okay? So this would be the brain stem. So this is here in your neck, all the way up till here. And this is the area that controls your automatic functions like breathing, heart rate. You are not aware of how you breathe. You're not aware when your heart is beating. So all of that control is happening in the brain stem. Good? Put your thumb across your palm like this. And this would be inside the brain, so you can't see it from outside. You have to cut into the brain to see it. This would be the midbrain. Okay? And the midbrain, scientists are discovering, is the seat, and remember this, emotions and memories. Emotions and memories. And put your fingers over your thumb like this. Okay? So this would become the cortex. So that's the thing you see in pictures that goes like this, the guy right? Okay? And this is where all the conscious thinking is happening. So when you guys are listening to me, this is happening here in the cortex. When you are seeing me, it's happening in the cortex. And different areas in this lovely brain of ours are different centers for different things. So you have a center for vision, a center for hearing, all of that stuff, right? We're going to focus on one important center. And it would be your fingertips. And this in your actual brain would be behind your eyes, okay? And the area behind your forehead. Thank you. Yes. So frontal cortex and prefrontal cortex, okay? So your hand is like this. We say that when we get angry, we flip our lid. And what is exposed? Emotions and memories. I want you to remember that. When you are angry, your anger is fueled by emotions and the memories of past events. Okay? So when you are angry in the moment, it's not about the moment only. It's actually getting fuel from previous incidents, right? It happens very quickly in your interactions with your children. It happens very quickly in your interactions with your spouses, especially your spouses. Amazing. One small thing happens from your spouse and you're just, okay? Ahud is saying, I've never seen anything good from you. It's always bad. Right, exactly. Now let's go back here. So you flip your lid. What's exposed is emotions and memories, right? Now, when this is flipped, you're not thinking, right? Because it's flipped. Your cortex is no longer functioning. Your midbrain, your emotions and memories are the ones who are controlling you at that moment. Now, what does the Prophet ﷺ tell us to do when we are angry? Sit down, make wudu, drink water, leave the place, lie down. What else does he say? Say, A'udhu Billah Minash Shaitanir Rajim. Go and pray 2 rak'ahs, right? All of the things you have just shared from the Prophet ﷺ, they need you to engage your cortex. You cannot go make wudu. You cannot go lie down. You cannot go sit down. You cannot go make 2 rak'ahs. You cannot go A'udhu Billah Minash Shaitanir Rajim unless you have engaged your cortex. And what happens when you engage your cortex? You're thinking, and you are going to become calmer. Why? Because you have covered your emotions and memories. Do you get this? Do you get how important this is? Okay? This is very important. There are many things in our tradition, okay? For 1,500 years, we follow them because they are part of our tradition and because we are trying to connect with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? But there is so many benefits to them, okay, that we are just discovering how beautiful they are. We're understanding why did the Prophet tell us to do that. Okay? Before, we just did it because we're following the Sunnah, right? Not because we understood why it's important. I'm just sharing this because when I recognized this, for me, it was a wow moment.